Adjectives. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun.
It tells about the quality, quantity, number, or order of the noun that it describes.
Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality answers the question, what kind?
Example: the hungry fox chased a cat. Hungry answers the question, what kind of fox? Adjective of quantity.
An adjective of quantity answers the question, how much? Adjectives of quantity mostly describe uncountable nouns.
For example, there is little water to drink. Little answers the question, how much water?
Adjective of number. An adjective of number answers the question or questions, how many?
For example, I will be absent for 6 days. 6 answers the question, how many days?
Adjective of number also answers the question, in what order?
For example, I stood in the 3rd row.
All cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns.
Remember the following rules with such words. An adjective used with an uncountable noun is an adjective of quantity. For example, I have some food.
An adjective used with a countable noun is an adjective of number.
For example, I have some dishes.
An adjective usually comes before the noun it describes or modifies.
For example, this is a huge palace.
An adjective may also come immediately beside the noun it describes.
For example, the heat made the child sleepy.
An adjective can also be placed after the verb to be.
For example, this palace is huge.
Possessive adjectives and articles are types of adjectives. They come before a noun or another adjective.
For example, I have a car.
Here, a is used as an article.
Where is your car?
In this case, your is used as possessive adjective. Very often, we use more than one adjective in front of a noun.
For example, the old fluffy grey dog sat beside me.
We use adjectives from the size and color groups by keeping the size word first.
For example, she has a big white car. We do not use a comma or and between the two words. For example, she has a big white car. Incorrect. She has a big and white car. Incorrect. We use and when using adjectives from the same group. For example, she has a red and white car. Correct. She has a red and white color car. Incorrect.